Welcome to your daily Techpresso. In today's episode, we'll cover Apple's new smart home robot, X's AI image generator, a judge's ruling on Google's App Store, comments from a former Google CEO on AI startups, and the FTC's new rule on fake reviews. First up, Apple is reportedly working on a new smart home project. This device will feature an iPad attached to a robotic arm that can twist and rotate. It is designed as a home command center with AI capabilities. The project, led by CEO Tim Cook and head of hardware engineering John Turnus, involves hundreds of staff members. This follows the previously canceled Apple brand electric car project. According to Bloomberg, the device is expected to be released around 2026 or 2027, potentially costing about $1,000. It will use a modified version of iPadOS. Next, let's talk about X's AI image generator. xAI, Elon Musk's AI company, announced the beta release of two language models named Grok 2 and Grok 2 Mini. These models allow subscribers of his social media platform, X, to create largely uncensored photorealistic images using the connected Flux image synthesis model. The Verge reported that Grok's image generation capabilities come with minimal safeguards. This allows the creation of potentially controversial content, such as fake photographs of political figures, copyrighted characters, and scenes of violence. xAI claims Grok 2 outperforms several leading competitors in various benchmarks. Moving on, Judge James Donato has declared that Google must dismantle its Android App Store monopoly. The goal is to open up the Play Store to rival stores, despite Google's objections about the difficulty and cost. Epic Games requested the court to force Google to let rival app stores coexist within Google Play. This would allow Android users to choose their preferred app store. Judge Donato plans to avoid micromanaging Google, but will establish a technical compliance and monitoring committee. The court will receive progress reports every 90 days. Next up, former Google CEO Eric Schmidt made some controversial comments. Schmidt suggested that successful AI startups can initially steal intellectual property and later hire lawyers to resolve legal issues if their product gains traction. He used a hypothetical example of copying TikTok to illustrate how Silicon Valley entrepreneurs might prioritize rapid growth over legal considerations. Schmidt's comments were made during a talk at Stanford and were later removed from the university's YouTube channel after drawing media attention. Finally, the FTC has introduced a final rule this fall banning fake reviews, including those made with AI. Companies are now prohibited from producing or selling fake reviews and can be penalized if they ignore the regulation. The rule targets deceptive practices such as incentivizing feedback, undisclosed insider reviews, and company-controlled review sites. It also addresses intimidation to remove negative feedback and the trade of fake followers or views. Although the FTC first proposed the fake review ban last year, there are concerns about enforcing it on global marketplaces like Amazon. Thank you for listening to today's episode of Techpresso. See you tomorrow for your daily Techpresso.